Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the oven element on a Rangemaster cooker. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the oven no longer heats up, but the thermostat indicator light comes on, then it is likely to be the oven element. Take out the 4 screws located at the back which hold the panel on. Remove and place the panel to one side. Remove the screws holding the oven element here. Remove the panel at the back by taking out the screws. Take a photo of the electrical connections before disconnecting and removing the element. Test the element for resistance with a multimeter. Select the low resistance range on the meter. Place the meter probes onto the element. There should typically be a resistance between 20 and 200 ohms. Place the new element in. Refit the screws before putting the panel back on. Using the photo you took earlier, reconnect the wiring before fitting the panel back on. And there we have it, an oven element replaced on a Rangemaster cooker. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.